Guys, we need to review Croatian literature from English class. Yes, Daniel said that one class tomorrow.
Don't stress out, Ethan. Let's start with Patapon from India. Remember, these animals fables teach us practical wisdom.
Right, the story of the lion maker. What was the main reason of the tale again?
The story shows poor scholars, but three of them only had book learning without promises. They used their magic to bring a dead lion back to life. But the fourth friend, who had common sense, climbed a tree and survived while the others were eaten.
Knowledge is business without good judgment. Now, what about our point? The tame bird and the free bird.
The story contrasts two different worlds. The tame bird lives safely in the cave. Meanwhile, the free bird soars in the sky. They love each other, neither can adapt to others' life. It represents the tension between security and freedom.
I see. Moving to Middle Eastern literature. We have a farming story, 1001 Nights.
That's the tale of Scheherazade to save her life. She told the king a new story, leaving each one on a cliffhanger. One of her most famous story is Sinbad the Sailor.
Sinbad depends on a 7-year-old poet, Rosa, ocean, facing giant rock bird, and monster, courage the land to approach the back of.
What about Chinese literature? We also read The Soul of the Wisdom, right?
Yes, that poem by Lafcadio Hearn is set in Beijing. It's about Kungay, a devoted daughter who sacrificed herself by jumping into molten iron to successfully solve the Big Bang.
The story showed this filial piety, unconditional love, and respect for one parents.
At that wisdom of the lion maker. Freedom from hummingbird, depart from landed one nest, and adventure for Sinbad, and devotion from soul of the Richmond.
We've got this most great. Let's practice one more time and elaborate with confidence.